In the mid-1990s, Renault just became privatized under the direction of then Chairman and CEO Schweitzer, made a strategic decision to expand its presence in markets outside Western Europe. They opened one factory in Moscow and another one in Brazil. The Renault Vel Satis, a luxury car made to compete with established luxury sedans like Audi A4, BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class, wasn't a big sales success because buyers preferred German cars that had very high quality, while the Renault Avantime, a strange hybrid between MPV and SUV, were sale flops. And so, to earn back some of those money, they needed to launch on the market a successful global car. Renault SA is confident that its bold bid to develop a medium-sized car that can be sold for just €5,000 will succeed. The auto industry was highly skeptical. Soon later, in 2000, when Renault chairman Louis Schweitzer launched the X90 project to try to create a robust and inexpensive family car for developing countries. The target price was about a quarter of the price of similar-sized three-box sedans meeting Western European standards, and it was €3,000 cheaper than the entry-level cars such as Fiat Panda or Citroën Saxo. The first generation Logan was designed at Renault's Techno Center near Paris and also helped with the Romanian in Dacia, being the result of 4 years of development of the S90 project, announced by Renault in 1999 after the purchase of Dacia in the same year. The Logan was designed from the outset as an affordable car and has many simplified features to keep the cost down. It replaces many older cars in production, including the Romanian Dacia 1310 series of Renault 12-based cars, Dacia Solenza and Supernova. It was officially launched in June 2004 and began marketing in September 2004. Renault originally had no plans to sell the Logan in Western Europe, but in June 2005 they began importing a more expensive version of the car, starting at around €7,500. It was an unexpected success, with people wanting an inexpensive enough-wheels car that they could repair themselves. Although Logan was an off-wheels car, Renault claimed that no compromises had been made on safety. The designer adopted the safety solutions used in state-of-the-art Renault cars to make them suitable for the Logan. Logan was designed to meet the European Union's safety norms. The top-end Logan included an anti-lock braking system similar to the one used in the Megane. ABS was an optional feature in the lower-end versions. The top-end Logan also included driver and passenger airbags and backseat safety belts for 3 in the rear passenger cabin. The Logan was a 3-box saloon with a tall body design aimed at maximizing interior space. It had a wheelbase of 2.63 meters. The car was designed to carry 5 adults and had a generous boot space of 510 liters, bigger than many cars including top-end ones. Although it was not designed as an off-road vehicle, Logan was given a ground clearance of 155 mm, about 1 inch more than other comparable cars, to be able to tackle poorly maintained roads in the target market. Logan was initially developed with 2 engine versions, a 1.4-liter engine with 75 horsepower and 83 pound-foot of torque, and a 1.6-liter with 90 horsepower and 95 pound-foot of torque. On the 1st July 2008, almost 4 years after the release of the first Logan, a facelifted version called the Dacia New Logan was announced. The new version features a more modern design and a more attractive and more comfortable interior. This facelift was adopted on the station wagon in October the same year and included new headlights and rear lights.